Sending money across borders doesn't have to be a headache. Let's walk through how to do it seamlessly with Worldremit. First, head over to worldremit.com or download the app from your app store. We'll start by creating your account. So click on the sign up button. Fill out the required information, like your name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure to use a strong password to keep your account safe. Once you're logged in, click on the prominent Send Money button to initiate your transfer. Now, you'll need to provide details about your recipient, including their country, the amount you want to send, and how they'd like to receive it. Options might include bank transfer, mobile money, or cash pickup. Choose your preferred payment method. Worldremit accepts various options like debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfers. Select the one that works best for you. Before finalizing, carefully review all the details of your transfer to ensure everything is accurate. Worldremit uses advanced security measures, like encryption, to protect your financial information, giving you peace of mind. Once you're satisfied, confirm your payment, and that's it. You'll receive a transaction ID, and your recipient will be notified that the money is on its way. Using Worldremit makes sending money internationally quick, easy, and secure.